and you will select a photo like that. Then you will make a zoom. So if you wanna remove your photo's background, you will click on magic remove. Look, the background has been removed from photos. If you want reverse your background, then you will disable magic remove. Then if you want color for your photo, you will click on filter and select all effects according to your choice. All effects are different from each other. Basically different, basic color, saturation, vivid. All effects are different from each other. Look, I will apply this effect and manage level up and down, so you can manage your photo. Look, this is black and white. This is too much sunny. See, this effect is like a ghost. If you want to make your photos ghost, you can apply this effect. Look. You can apply all effect. Which kind of photo you want? You can apply all effect. See friends, all effects are better from each other. One is black and white color. So you can apply all effect. Then you can adjust your photos brightness. Click on adjustment, saturation, brightness, contrast, vibration, all brightness level you want to apply. See, like this, saturation, brightness, contrast, temperatures, highlights, again. So this is looking so different from previous photo and original photo. So you can just manage your photos color, background, face, reaction, all effects in KineMaster. So you can easily make changes or create beautiful photo from KineMaster applying all effects. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for future video. Thank you.